take a look at fixed price invoicing first. The invoice account number defaults to the customer set on the contract, but you can overwrite this. This allows you to invoice a third party for the work, for instance if you are invoicing a finance company. You can select a site ID, but invoice to site ID should only be used if you want to address the invoices to the site and not the customer account. If you use invoice to site ID, the revenue for the invoices will still be posted to the customer account, whether you use invoice to site ID or the invoice account is changed. You then have the first invoice date for the date the first invoice should be available. And as the option is fixed price, you must then enter the value for the fixed price invoices. This should be the total price for each invoice, regardless of the equipment items on it. Enter the first invoice value and the next invoice value. Each invoice will be charged at these prices. Now set the invoice frequency from the drop-down options and enter the customer purchase order number in the order reference field. If the payment terms are already populated, this is set as the default on the customer account, but you can amend it if required. And the order reference expiry date can give you a notification in the system. Notifications can be set in System Settings and Notification Management. This could be used to tell you when the customer's purchase order expires, or you could use it to set a date to remind you to renegotiate contract terms. The uplift field allows you to set a percentage value to uplift the contract by when it is renewed.